Here we go with the snowdrift here, and this front door, not too bad, at least I can open it. But here we go, 5:30 a.m. Buffalo, New York. Look at that snowdrift right in the middle of the street. It's almost higher than the vehicles. There's no plows yet. Everybody's still stranded. This is, wow, it's gonna be a while before we can get out of this road. Look at that. Look at the snowdrifts, man. Wow. I think my neighbors across the street lost power. I'm not sure though. As you can see, it's drifting. The drifting snow, that's what is messing up all these roads, and there's no plows coming through just yet. This is crazy, man. I've never in my life, I've been through